Hello. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short presentation about the benefits of visibility from your managed print provider. In an earlier presentation, I took you through the 5 key areas where Quadtronix deliver real value to our clients. And here, I'd like to focus on visibility. And we feel this falls into 2 main areas. Firstly, the benefits this can bring you from a total cost of ownership point of view. And secondly, the comfort it can give you around the security of your information. So let's look at total cost of ownership first. There's a risk with any ongoing service solution that with a different provider, your costs could continue increasing over time. However, if you work with Quadtronix, we can focus on making sure that we're constantly looking at ways to reduce your total cost of ownership. This could be through things like rules-based printing, such as making sure your employees only ever print duplex or black and white, unless there's business reasons why they need to do otherwise. Giving you full visibility across all of the data within your organization so you know how things are being used, what they're being used for, and therefore you can control things better. And finally, right down to individual usage. So if there's some education we need to do with key employees or key employee groups to bring them into line and help reduce costs, then we can do that as well. So keeping these 3 areas in mind, you can see here a report that details the kind of information you can get from the software that we would implement as part of our overall solution. You can break things down by user group, or as I said before, right down to individual user level. And here's a case study to show how a solution over time delivered real total cost of ownership savings to a client of ours, Lark Insurance. So in year 1, it was a single MFD with a service agreement to support that MFD. Over time, their business grew and it became a 9 MFD contract. Then we moved into networked MFDs, and that delivered a saving of nearly £3,500 per quarter because those networked MFDs were supported by software and a fully managed print plan. So they had full visibility of all the information, and the staff were educated on how to use the solution in the most efficient manner. But again, let's see what Lark had to say about how this helped their business. So as you can see there, this delivered additional savings throughout the life of the contract. Now let's focus on the security of your information. Security is key, and one of the objections that we often hear in our interviews when we're understanding a business need is, my printing is very confidential, I don't want it left on the MFD at the end of a corridor. Well, through forcing your employees to log in or even swipe cards at the device, their printing isn't released until they get there to collect it. So they know that there's no vital information left lying around on office floors, and it gives people that comfort factor that a multifunction device fleet is the way to go. Giving people control of that information and the security comfort factor is important, but it's only one element. There's the email and traditional post methods as well, where you still need to have that complete view of all your information, both from an inbound and an outbound perspective. And providing you that security and that comfort level across all methods of communication, whether they're coming into your business or leaving your business, is truly vital. And working with Quadtronix, you will get that comfort factor across the entire gamut of your information landscape. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short presentation. We look forward to working with you in the future.